Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing the Chicago Bulls logo today. All right, so to start with, we are going to draw a straight line across. Then we're going to draw a line coming up, a line coming up. That's right, it's the horns. Then we're gonna draw a line coming down, a line coming down. Then we have a V, and we have a line coming down kind of at an angle, like that. Then we have a line in the middle with some lines coming through it. There we go. And then we're gonna have a line coming up like that, kind of like an S, like there. Then we're gonna have a line coming out, curving round, out, curving round. Then we're gonna have a line coming down, coming down. And we're gonna have a curved line at the bottom. So a line coming down. And then we're gonna have a curved line at the bottom. And then the opposite curved line on top of that. And then for the nose hole, it's gonna be like that. So kind of like a weird number 6 to me. Kind of like that. And then these are all, this is all colored in for the snout. There we go. Then we're gonna have a line coming here that's gonna come up like that, and a line coming here that's gonna come up like that. And then we're gonna make this be thick like that. And then underneath the brow, we're gonna draw a curvy line, another curvy line, kind of like a half circle, fourth circle, like that. And we've got some little marks under that. And then in the middle, we have like a U. And then this is a thick line, like that. Color that in. There we go. Looks pretty good. All right, there we are, Chicago Bulls. And I will come in and color this and all that with their, I think their colors are red and black. And this is solid. Okay, hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.